I do karate, so I do. Yeah! Okay, so yesterday you seen me make lawnmower ramps. Reason being is I got rid of my wee green lawnmower, and out in a whim I went and bought this here, and I didn't realise it was so big, and there's no way I could lift that in the car with my shoulder being the way it is. So that's why I made the ramps yesterday. So let's go and test out the ramps. But first of all, let you see us here, new lawnmower. It's a Briggs and Stratton engine, 150cc, electric start. It was under £200, so I couldn't complain, and that's why I bought it. And I gave my wee green one away to my mate, so I'll set the camera here on the stand I made yesterday as well, and let you see it start. So let's get down and get this here get these here ramps. I can't even speak right now. Get these ramps tested. Okay. So here we go. Back in place. Looks like I just need to go into a passenger seat. No. So there we go. It's in the car, thank God. Now it's time to test getting them out. For the first protocol today is, here we go, shoulder. Right, so I'm going to cut the grass here, and so far the ramps have been brilliant. Let's test out the lawnmower. Right, well, that's me back at base. So hopefully you enjoyed the wee video vlog thing today. I was quite happy with the new lawnmower. I was meant to be testing out the wee new wooden ramps that I made yesterday, but I'll do that tomorrow. I'll also be giving the Volkswagen Polo like a wee 6-month service, oil change, oil filter, air filter, just a wee mini service. Do that every 6 months. With it being Monday night tonight, Monday night is ice cold wine night. Well, an excuse for a wine. So, cheers, slanger, whatever. I'd say that's March 2021. Not a bad month. Thanks. See you again.